Do you always pack your bag the same way every trip? Be careful, because what used to be normal could now be illegal in 2025. Airport regulations have changed, and some everyday items are now officially banned from your carry-on. If they find them, they might confiscate them. Or worse, you could be detained or questioned. In this video, we reveal 7 items you can't carry in your hand luggage anymore in 2025. And the reasons will shock you. 1.0 power banks over 100 watt-hours. In 2025, lithium battery rules are stricter than ever. Power banks exceeding 100 watt-hours are considered hazardous and might get you denied boarding. Some airports are now using scanners that measure power capacity, not just size 2, spices, or mysterious powders. Whether it's chili powder, protein supplements, or even organic creams. If it's in powder form and unlabeled, it may raise suspicion. At Dubai Airport and several European hubs, travelers were stopped over a small bag of Moroccan spices. Third, metal grooming tools. Even small scissors or face razors with replaceable blades are banned in some countries, especially without covers. In 2025, airport security is confiscating these tools even if they're for personal grooming. 4. Uncharged electronics. Did you know? Devices like laptops or tablets must be charged and able to power on. In some countries, if you can't turn the device on at security, it's considered suspicious and may be confiscated. 5. Magnifying mirrors or fragile glass items. In 2025, large or sharp-edged glass items are now seen as security risks. Even cosmetic mirrors might be banned if they're not packed in a protective case. 6. Any liquid over 100 milliliters, even if half empty. The 100 milliliter rule hasn't changed, but enforcement is tighter. If the original bottle is labeled as over 100 milliliters, it will be taken, even if it's almost empty. Some travelers lost expensive perfumes because of this. 7. Strong cleaners or high-alcohol sanitizers. Many sanitizers now exceed the allowed alcohol content limit. Items like rubbing alcohol or industrial-strength sprays are immediately confiscated at most airports. Traveling in 2025 requires new awareness. Your carry-on is no longer a safe zone. It could actually get you stopped. Always check the latest regulations at your departure airport, and don't rely on what used to be fine before. Let us know in the comments. Have you ever had something confiscated at the airport? And don't forget to share this video with anyone flying soon. You might save them a lot of trouble.